Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making hamburger gravy. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of beef broth, 1/4 cup of half and half, 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 onion, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add your ground beef and onion. Season your beef with your salt and pepper, then allow it to brown. Now add the Worcestershire sauce and mix well. Now melt your butter, then add your flour. Cook your flour for 3 minutes or until it has browned. Pour in the beef broth in half and half and mix until well combined. Season with the onion powder and garlic powder and continue to mix until your gravy has thickened. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.